Hello everybody, how are you today? What are you doing? Let's study together with me. Book 2, Unit 10, page 118. Substitution drill, menyusun latihan. Where were Bill and John yesterday afternoon? Di mana Bill dan John kemarin sore? Where were they yesterday afternoon? Di mana mereka kemarin sore? Where were you yesterday afternoon? Di mana kamu kemarin sore? Where was she yesterday afternoon? Di mana dia perempuan kemarin sore? Where was he yesterday afternoon? Di mana dia laki-laki kemarin sore? Where was Bill yesterday afternoon? Di mana Bill kemarin sore? Where was John yesterday afternoon? Di mana John kemarin sore? I was at home all afternoon yesterday. Saya berada di rumah sepanjang sore kemarin. I was at school all afternoon yesterday. Saya berada di sekolah sepanjang sore kemarin. I was at the doctor office all afternoon yesterday. Saya berada di kantor dokter sepanjang sore kemarin. I was out of the house all afternoon yesterday. Saya keluar rumah sepanjang sore kemarin. I was away from home all afternoon yesterday. Saya jauh dari rumah sepanjang sore kemarin. I was reading some letter to friend of mine yesterday. Saya sedang menulis surat untuk teman saya kemarin sore. I was reading some letter from friend of mine yesterday. Saya sedang membaca surat dari teman saya kemarin sore. I was addressing some envelope to friend of mine yesterday. Saya sedang menulis alamat pada beberapa amplop untuk teman saya kemarin. What were you doing at about 4 o'clock yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan sekitar jam 4 kemarin? What were you thinking about at about 4 o'clock yesterday? Apa yang kamu pikirkan sekitar jam 4 kemarin? What were you studying at about 4 o'clock yesterday? Apa yang kamu pelajari sekitar jam 4 kemarin? I was listening to the radio. I was listening to the radio at about 6 o'clock. Saya sedang mendengarkan radio sekitar jam 6. I was listening to a radio broadcast at about 6 o'clock. Saya sedang mendengarkan siaran radio sekitar jam 6. I was listening to a new broadcast on the radio at about 6 o'clock. Saya sedang mendengarkan siaran berita radio sekitar jam 6. I was listening to a radio program at about 6 o'clock. Saya sedang mendengarkan acara radio sekitar jam 6. I was watching television at 8 o'clock last night. Saya sedang menonton televisi pada jam 8 tadi malam. I was watching a television program at 8 o'clock last night. Saya sedang menonton acara televisi pada jam 8 tadi malam. I was watching a television show at 8 o'clock last night. Saya sedang menonton acara televisi pada jam 8 tadi malam. I was watching a show on the television. I was watching a show on television at 8 o'clock last night. Saya sedang menonton acara di televisi pada jam 8 tadi malam. I was watching my favorite television program at 8 o'clock last night. Saya sedang menonton program televisi favorit saya pada jam 8 tadi malam. What were you doing when I called you on the telephone last night? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya menelponmu tadi malam? What were you doing when I telephoned you last night? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya menelponmu tadi malam? What were you doing when I called you by phone last night? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya sedang menelponmu tadi malam? Okay, then I think enough for this moment. Thank you very much. Good luck and see you. Bye bye.